Hello everybody, new video, a mug video. So the client sent me a couple of images and I'm just going to open them in Canva and get the template out for the mug. I'm going to do this one instead of a wraparound. I'm going to do it as two separate images and then later on put them on a page. So let's get going. Let's get a blank opened up and get the customer's image that the customer wants on the mug. One image number one is this one. I'll have to remove the background on this one, right? And the second one is this cute ducky with a knife. So watch out, guys, right? And also I have to put in some text above and beneath the cute ducky, or rather I say the murderous ducky. Nah, it's cute. It's because it loves you. Uh, anyways, let me see. Yeah, I think that looks good too. That looks good too. The image, I'm gonna put it out a bit and get this worked in. Like I said, I'll have to remove the background because the background is not going with the white mark, right? So let me get these things squared up. Let me get the picture squared up and I'm going to start on the process, with it, right? Now I'm just looking around, seeing if I can get away with things or not. Yeah. All right, that's it. I'm just going to come back when the images are done. And here's what the image looks like after it's done, right? I will have to do some more amendments. Right? The ducky is back. It's telling you something, so do remember that, yeah? Let me save this one for now and then I can work on it later on. So let's see how this looks. I got the image finalized, spoke to the customer and we changed a couple of things around and did this. So let me get this on the page. I'm going to put them on the same page. Like I said, I'm just going to cut these out and put them on the mug and we're going to print them as individual images rather than a wraparound, right? So let's get this printed and we can then move on to the next part. Right, there you go. The printing has started and I need to really clean my printer. I know. Right, here's the image. Of course, I flipped the image so that it is goes correctly on the mug. It's on the mug's in. We were going to get this going. 375 Fahrenheit, 62 seconds. Yeah, that would do for me. There you go. It's done. I think it looks really good. What do you think? I enjoy making these things. These kind of mugs, they're really simple to do and really, really nice. One last shot of the ducky with the knife. Take care.